Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to unbox Ellen Wille. This is Rich Mono and the color is Dark Snow Mix, which is 60, 51, 44. It's part of the Hair Power collection. I am wearing my Ellen Wille. This is Devine in Silver Blonde Rooted. I'll give you a little color comparison of these two. I have a full review on my channel if you want to see Devine. It's a beautiful wig as well. Okay, let's take a look at Ellen Wille Rich Mono. This was sent to me for review from wigstudio1.com, so be sure to go over there and check out all the wigs, especially the Ellen Wille at wigstudio1.com. Okay, let's get started. All right, let's unbox it. See how it comes. Always have a nice box in here. Okay, this is a beautiful salt and pepper color. It's in a hairnet. Let's take it. A little bit darker at the nape. I can already see that. Yep, lighter around the face. Gets darker toward the nape. As you can tell, light around the face. Getting darker as we go toward the nape. Asymmetrical cut. Can see that. Oh, it has a beautiful mono top. Lace front. Mono top. Open wefted. Has closed ear tabs. They have stays. It has an extended felt nape, Velcro adjusters, lots of stretch here in this one. Wow, this is super lightweight. I mean, I can tell this is very, very lightweight. Of course, with this mono top, there won't be any permatease in the top. Okay, let's try it on. Okay, let's give this a good shake and try it on. Okay, first of all, I'll tell you this fits snug on me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this fits perfectly on me, but and just a tad snug. I wouldn't need to adjust it in any way. So just to let you know if that helps you any with fit. Yeah, it has this really popular, longer on one side, asymmetrical. I'm going to take out the zigzag part just by running my wide tooth comb. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just running it down that part to remove that zigzag. Look at this beautiful lace front. Now that just melts right into the skin. That is gorgeous. Really nice job. Okay, here's the coverage. Ear tab right above my ear. Just to let you see that. I love these short styles from Ellen Wille. I like this. Okay, let's see the back. Short nape. Wow, easy to wear, summer style. I'm going to put a little water on mine. I always do that. Just want to separate the fibers. You could use some peace out cream, some wig wax, whatever you would like. I just like to see what I'm working with, and I do that by just putting a little bit of water through it. And I want to loosen the fibers, so I'm going to run my hands through these fibers, just pulling them away from the cap to give it some movement. Now this color, Dark Snow Mix, this is beautiful. As I said earlier, you can see that this is lighter around the face. Then it starts to get darker as we get to the nape. That makes it, I feel like, very, very believable. Now, we talked about the color, 60, 51, 44. 60 is the pure white. You see that coming around the front of this. 51 is gray with dark brown, and 44 is a dark brown mixed with gray, charcoal gray. So this to me is a true salt and pepper. But I think this is beautiful how they really concentrated the 60 around the face and then worked in these darker shades of brown and gray all the way through till it gets darker in the nape. Really, really nice job. Lace front again, mono top. I want you to have another look at this coverage and ear tabs right there. Now I want to show you, this is what I had on in the beginning, which is the Silver Blonde Rooted. I just want to give you a little color comparison. This more platinum, has more white here all over, where this is worked in more of the browns working through it. to give you more of the salt and pepper than what you really have here. So I just want to make sure you get a good look at that and how these differ. Similar, but different. Now the specs on here, the bang is 8 inches, which comes down here. Crown 4.75. Sides 6.75, and it has that short 1.5 inch nape. This color is just gorgeous. I think this is so wearable. Let's put it on with some glasses. Yep. I always have to have my glasses, so that has to work for me. Now, like we said, this has this. I like this asymmetrical look. I think it's very trendy, but not too trendy. Anybody can wear it. And then, just if you don't like that, you can just clip that back. Get it off your face that way. See, it works with the headband, of course. Usually just tuck a little hair behind my ear there, but with this one, I would probably just tuck one side back, leave this asymmetrical down, and have a cute headband on with it. I have a couple different ones here. Definitely can wear it like that. Now, since this has a lace front, you could wear this up and all the way off with the headband as well, and just, again, pull those fibers away. If you want to make sure your coverage, make sure that's all, just pull a little bit of hair down, a little bit of fibers just down around the face. You can wear it like that, again, with this beautiful lace front. Wow, Ellen Wille just knows how to do those lace fronts for sure. Okay, let's take another quick look at the inside of this cap. Okay, here's another look at the inside of the cap. Look at this large mono feature. You can part it anywhere within here, of course. Deep lace front, closed ear tabs, open wefted, extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. And another look at dark snow mix. Wow, what a beautiful color. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this look at Ellen Wille Rich Mono in this gorgeous, oh, this color, dark snow mix. Have a look at this again at wigstudio1.com. Perfect summer hair. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.